Okay, so now I want to show you how to do these on your calculator because they're actually pretty simple. And I know mine looks a little weird, but the buttons are pretty much the same. So you're going to hit second matrix, and some of you will have a matrix button and some of you will just have second matrix. So just look for the matrix button on your calculator. We're going to go over to edit, okay, and we're going to edit matrix A. It doesn't matter which one, choose whichever one you want. Okay, and we're going to put in the elements of our matrix. So 2, -3, 4, -2, 1, 5, 5, 3, and -2. Always take a quick glance after you're done and make sure you have them entered correctly, because if you enter one incorrectly, it can cause your answer to become really ducky. So second quit. And then the button for finding the determinant you might have already seen. So second matrix, and we're going to go over to math, and it's this first one, the DET, the notation we learned at the beginning. So you're going to pull to that notation and then hit second matrix again, pull matrix A, close your parentheses, and hit enter. And our determinant is -141. So super simple way. Okay, now when you guys do your homework tonight, I'm going to have some on there that will say very clearly to solve with a calculator, without a calculator. I want you to practice both ways. Now, on your assignment that you're going to do over fall break, I'm not going to know which one you choose. It might be a good way to check, to do it by hand and then do it on your calculator and make sure you get the same thing. Alright, so let's look at this next one, because we are going to be solving for a missing letter from the determinant. Okay, so we're going to have to do this one by hand. There's no way around that. Alright, so we're going to rewrite our matrix. I'm going to rewrite it with those 2 extra columns that we have to do the determinant of a 3x3. Sorry, my handwriting is not that great on this thing. That is a 3 and a 2. Alright, so let's rewrite those first 2 columns. And x3, 2. Okay, so let's start off with our diagonal. So 4 times 3 times 2 is 36 plus, next column, remember that there are plus signs in there. 1 times x times -6 is a -6x. And then the last column, -2, -1, and 2 is +4. Minus, okay, because we're changing direction, so minus, alright, we'll do blue this time. Alright, go the other direction. So we have -6, 3, -2 is 36 again, plus 2, 1, 4 is 8, plus 3, -1x is -3x. Okay, and we know that this has to equal -3 from the beginning. Okay, alright, so now let's just do the algebra. Okay, 36 plus 4 is 40, minus 6x. And then 36 plus 8 is 44, so we're minusing 44. Remember, this negative has to go to both things. And then this becomes a plus 3x equals -3. Alright, now it's just a combined like term. So 40 minus 44, -4, minus 3x when we put these 2 terms together, equals -3. Add 4 to both sides. So -3x equals 1. Divide by -3. X equals -1/3. Now, easy way to check. You can go onto your calculator. You can type in this matrix, except instead of the x right there, we're going to put in the -1/3 that we just calculated. Okay? The -1/3 up there in our matrix, and calculate the determinant, and it should give us 3. Okay?